should know by the way you parked your car sideways that it wouldn't last. See, you're the kind of person that believes in making out once, love them and leave them fast. Guess I must be dumb. She had a pocket full of horses, Trojan and some of them used. But it was Saturday night, I guess that makes it alright. You see, what have I got to lose? And honey, I say, little red Corvette, baby, you're much too fast. Little red Corvette, you need a love that's gonna last. Guess I should've closed my eyes when you drove me to the place where your horses run free. 'Cause I felt a little ill when I saw all the pictures.
All right.
That were there before me.
Everybody's showing up.
Oh, now I started to worry. I wondered if I had enough class. But it was Saturday night. I guess that makes it alright. You say, baby, have you got enough gas? Oh yeah.
What do you got to say, Chris? What's up? How you doing? All right, guys. Should be a fun day. And there's my baby. All right, we got Corvettes everywhere. All right, guys, wave to the camera. All right, guys, say hi. All right. We're doing a shoot here today on a rooftop.
No, move over, baby. Give me the keys. I'm gonna try to take you in the red love machine. Little red Corvette, baby, you're much too fast. Little red Corvette, need to find a love that's gonna last. Little red Corvette, honey, you got to slow down. Little red Corvette, 'cause if you don't, you go. Little red Corvette, right in the red Corvette, right down to the ground. You got to slow down. You got to slow down. Red Corvette, you're moving much too fast, too fast. Need to find a love that's gonna last. Girl, got an ass like I never seen. And the ride, I say the ride is so smooth. You must be a limousine. Baby, much too fast. Little red Corvette, you need a love, that's gonna last. Little red Corvette, oh, you got to slow down, Little red Corvette, 'cause if you're done, you're gonna run your body right to the ground, right to the ground, to the ground, to the ground, to the ground, to the ground. It's red Corvette, oh.
I got a fast car, go cruising down the highway, a Corvette Stingray. I do it my way, got a she said the problem with you, you need some sensible shoes. Yes you do, yes you do. Look at this black book, it's loaded with phone numbers, potential lovers, new worlds to discover. You would think I really got it made now. New Ray-Ban shades, but I'm a heartache on parade now. I walk around with the blues. I need some sensible shoes. Sensible shoes, ones that'll lead me back to you. Sensible shoes, 'cause you're the only lover that was ever true. I need some sensible shoes.